tell you one thing. You can't take the heat. Don't come in at the blood clot kitchen. And you don't know if you bake bread. Stay far from blood clot oven. You hear that? Hello, sir.
The king of sting, the king of clash. Who is that? The original front teeth, gold teeth, blue tooth, Dan Gargan. I should go to my bed. Why may I mix up the boss name? Run it! Ninjaman versus Merciless. We have few little clips. You know, my mercy, me not get you back yet. No matter how you rate Ninjaman, no matter how you love Ninjaman, you have to give Merciless in props on this night. Rest in peace, Merciless. He took it and he take on 3 giants, not 1 but 3. You know we don't deal with the second number, don't. Anyways, so one next piece I clip here again. And Merciless really went in on the Gargan. I ain't gonna lie, and I know them is a big Ninjaman fan.
Them your boy and them a cast a yarn, but man a real steel. One of these bad men and gunshot them guys feel them a cast a yarn. The man a real steel. Look how your rose bun down from this bad man and all your mama be run down. Start up war and all the poopa be gun down. Little the bread that chat too much and all the bread and me lick down. Sister Sarah, you hear me say I go lick down me brother, you have party man. Me brother no want that man use him tongue and lick him down. You dead all. Lick down me brother. Tell a boy them a look one, tell them to that one fall. Get to the man.
What Merciless try a while ago? Eh? Ninja saying gonna lick down him brother. And Merciless twist it. What to you, Merciless? Ninjaman, how straight are you?
Me straight like a blood clot one. And if I know 1, I 11, if I know 11, 111 man can blood clot, then no some little need.
Man can be clad Ben. You know, see how me look and neat. Merciless Brighty. Yo. And who this a ninja up against? I think a Mad Cabra. You see what I going over here, so now.
Best of
Somebody
Ninjaman.
shout out team. Help me ball out team. So slow. Petty, petty. No for them a petty, petty, petty. Petty them will tell you how to be sweetie. Petty, petty. No for them a petty, petty, petty. Petty them will tell you, but look here. Them are me friend and me treat them like a family. Say everything me have for me and them share it. Pants shirt shoes that as me give them feel weary. And then they say one turn round betray me too petty, petty. No for them a petty, 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 petty them. Anyway, remember when I me a run Jamaica country, when me a drive all 10 car behind me, the whole them full and none of them never empty. Some more coke and then me lose some of me money. Look on their friend and then me never see any. Una gone to Bunty man then run gone to Beanie. Me name a call and them a run back to me too petty, petty. No for them a petty, petty, petty. Petty them will tell you how to be sweetie, petty, petty.
You Gargan say, man did big. To him big, a 10 car follow when my travel. Then he go burn the coke. Tell about the coke, the crack. Stay away from drugs. Mash up your Gargan life. So till dancehall. Yo, the man they have dancehall now. Choke hole, no? I kid you not. And then he go burn the coke. And then Beanie and Bounty take over it. And you don't know, so the rest is history. Anyways. What Ninjaman have to say again?
You don't know about dressing, where you come from. Let me tell you something. Pepper up on the step here, because you don't look good. And that me I tell you now.
You understand? Look how me look young and look fresh and look clean. And some of them look whole like a buckle. Just 25 and 21 and 22. I don't know how like a buckle you to shape up on yourself. Look like young people. No? I want them to know. Look how me look young and look like a one. Eh? I want them to know youth. Fix up on yourself, man. You don't not buy no clothes. You don't not dress. You don't look poor. You don't look broke. You don't look hungry. I don't know make me money. I don't have to own no buy clothes. Eh? A car, them on our drive look better down. Hey, let me tell you something. When we are roll car, we roll out car and car, people come look pan we more on the car. As old as me is right now. You don't go for yourself.
Yo, when we are roll car, when we are roll out in the car, people are come look pan we instead of the car. I guess in there talk about the artists them. I true, artists they not no style, they not no fashion, they not no flair. They cool like a ice. Them boy not no style, man. All they want chat about choppy line and all them BS them. We don't want to hear that, brother. No shooting and killing. We want to hear lyrics. And even when I chat about girl, I most they rugged everything them talk about females. Man, I no respect, brother. Plus they can't dress. Man, I'm a dopey butt. Most of the artists them about dopey butt. Anyways, say Ninjaman and now before we reach a Richie Steven, you have to go thief him mango. We have him on tape. Yes.
See the thief, the people. Wait me out of my bed, pick me up, forgot Richie Stevie, I go thief the man mango them. But me not thief nobody mango, me just accompany him. In case me not know, me can drive. You understand?
You so lucky.
Why you never pick up stage just to go thief mango, you pick up me. Anytime nothing wrong, and me you pick up, and me I go stop it. Me I go stop go with you.
Well,
Cause you not go to church and come for me. Look all the morning early, right?
we go to church and find out some part of them thief and them people on the road. And rob people in that Jesus. And I return out you got to see this
Yes.
man and look so.
This same one. This
And not
Jesus.
even wait for the car them to come around. Do what I want.
May you kill me off, you know. People see it there, or Richie Stevie or them a drive go. Right? But me just say him can pick up stations, right? He never have to pick up me.
Baby love, girlfriend, Emily. Or what you want name? Passenger. Are you the man pick up you go up on a mission? Are you a thief? Station size sexy round body. Man bring stations to go dance, and you him bring up on a thieving mission. Let's continue watching.
Away am I go around and say, you know?
Yeah, man, you know that turn.
Alright.
Yeah.
Look here. We make you come out the man and make so
Hello.
much noise. Jesus.
Morning. Yes, girlfriend, but you hear me? Me I got thief some mango now, so you have to call me back in about half an hour. I'm going to Richie Stevens, I got thief mango. Call me back in half an hour. Yeah? Yeah, thank you. Yeah.
Jesus, smart a bead. Father God, I want this dog in there.
Siri, call Richie Stevenson. Man, tell me that my you. Good, thank you.
That's the Siri.
Siri, call Richie Steven. You don't realize that Ninja get called, somebody a call about Ninjaman Foundation. And Ninjaman tell him straight up, say, I can't take a call right now. I'm about to steal some mango. This man is never serious. How when he's serious, there's always a joke within his seriousness. You have to rate Ninjaman. Yeah, man, Ninjaman is one of my favorite artists, man. I'm telling you already. And it's obvious. My channel, 50% of the content on here is Ninjaman. And a Ninjaman blew up the channel, so I gotta always be grateful. Always gonna find a Ninjaman video or two. Or a few. That got that number. Anyways, like the video, share the video, comment. Tell me which one the video your favorite. And stay safe and God bless.